Good afternoon. What we have here, the John Deere Combine 9650. And we got a hole in the grain tank. And I'm going to show you field repairs because, and it won't be a repair, it'll be a patch, but just want to show you right over that ridge. Yeah, that's the middle of nowhere. We're on the edge of it. And I know this won't be right, but we'll get after it. So hang on a second. Okay, and what I have, okay, right here. What I have is some short strand fiberglass. It's shorter than kitty hair. And we're gonna mix some up after we get up in the tank. And we're gonna lay it in there. So hang on a bit. Okay, so here you can see it. Is this pretty? Nope. Is this correct? Probably not. Well, let's keep the corn from running out for a couple 100 acres so we can maybe get done with this harvest. Yeah, it probably will. And if not, I can lay that in again real quick. So there you go. There's combine field repairs or patches. Maybe not a repair. Have a nice day.